Hello guys! Happy Monday! Monday na guys! This is our second to the last day in Korea. So bukas ng gabi uwi na kami. I'm just gonna get ready. Pababa na kami guys. Hindi nag-work yung ano ko, hair straightener. So meron tayong mga kumakaway-kaway dyan. Naka-fly away. Baba tayo. Starbucks daw muna kami, sabi na Dan. Pagkain. Shrimp festival. Shrimp festival. Where is Starbucks? This way or that way? Guys, nandun yung hotel namin, no? Days Hotel. Meron pala dito Starbucks. Yan, pero meron din dito. Hindi kasi namin nakita yun. So, tumawid kami. Kasi nakita yun ni Dan. Guys, we got our Starbucks drink. Ito yung akin mocha frap. Si Dan. What did you get? Something with
white mocha.
White mocha pala. Nandito kami sa GS25. Katabi lang siya ng Starbucks. Kasi, bumili akong Band-Aid. My feet is sore. And merong blister. Ito siya guys. Merong blister yung ano ko, yung paa ko. Ito, marami siyang iba-ibang klase. 1,500 won. So, upo lang kami dito para ilagay siya. Kasi meron talagang blister. Hanap tayo ng size. Kasi may malaki. Wala lang, natuwa lang ako. May maliit. Ito yun. Yung normal lang. I'm wearing my Converse right now. Hindi yung yun. Kasi, isa damage. Dito na kami sa taxi guys. Papunta kaming Insadong. Parang ano siya. Shopping na naman, di ba? Yung Insadong. It's like a shopping area. What is it?
I mean, just another area to look at. Bit of this and bit of that.
Okay, but they have shopping and street food?
Yeah, they will.
Dito na kami sa Insadong. Ang daming tao. Mga estudyante usually. Siguro break time nila. Do you wanna cross? Where do you wanna start? Sabi lang ni Kuya, ito daw dito. Yan, Insadong. Papunta doon, tsaka papunta doon sa kabila, Insadong. Ayun, earrings. Ito na naman tayo. Ang dami ko na nabiling earrings, guys. Babe, we should get this for Lyra.
You like frogs?
She hates frogs. Lyra. Lucky naman siya, Lai. Hello. Mga lucky frog. Hala. Penis. 7,000 won. Babe. My love. See?
Is it a penis?
It is, look. That's a penis.
Okay. I pressed you on that one.
Guys, kakain tayo ng mga street food pala today. Maraming street food kasi yan yung isa sa mga gustong i-try na Dan. Yeah, okay. Hello! Made of honey, kind of sugar. Have you ever tried it?
How
No.
much is it?
It's a 10 piece, 1 baht, 5,000 won.
Okay. So that's peanuts?
Yeah, inside 7 different nuts, peanut, almonds, walnuts.
Okay. Oh, cute.
I give you a sample. Just
Okay.
try it.
Thank you. Try it, my love. Oh. Is it good? You wanna buy one? Yeah. Sige. Nalakad na namin yung dyan na side, papunta dun sa dulo. So, nakarating kami sa dulo, guys. May mga taong nagbibigay ng mga ganun. What are they, babe?
They give you something and they want money.
They want money. Tapos na kami dyan sa side na yan. Dito naman tayo sa side na to. Tingin-tingin. Yan, mga K-pop, guys. 2020. Oh, do you need a diary, my love? Who's that guy that you copied? You want that one?
Oh, that one.
Kill this love. Blackpink! Blackpink in your area. Guys, nandito kami sa isang jewelry shop. Ganito yung itsura niya. Oh. Yan. Nagbebenta siya ng mga very dainty na mga jewelry. So, napabili ako kasi sobrang cute talaga niya. Isasuot sa akin ni Dan kasi gusto ko siya suotin. It goes with my black tag. Ito pala galing Forever 21. It says New York, Tokyo, LA. Tignan niyo, ang cute! Very dainty nung ano, nung, hindi siya totoong gold. 13,000 won. So, mga $16. Mga ganyan. Ang cute. Meron sila iba-ibang kulay. May blue, may pink. Pag sinuot yung pink, parang wala lang siya. Pero ito ang cute. Meron din siyang mga bracelet. Like, ito yung akin black. Meron din siya niyan blue. Hindi kita ng maayos kasi may shade. Pero ang cute, guys. So, nandito kami sa area na to. Yan. Dito siya sa Insadong. May mga ganyan siya. So, may mga food, mga souvenir. Yung necklace ko, nakuha ko dyan. Nabili ko dyan. Dyan papunta yung lift. So, nandun lang si ate sa gilid. Guys, nandito kami sa milk spot. Meron siyang ganituan. So, pwede ka, pag pumasok ka dito, pwede ka magsulat-sulat. Pakita ko sa inyo na. Harap. Sulat kang ganyan. See? Gusto ko siyang gawin. Sabi ni Dan, that's a rhaze thing. Bibili ako, guys. Gagawa ako. Hala, how about the pen? Does it come with the pen?
I get the plastic pen.
This. Okay, that's fine. So, bibili ako dito. What do you like? Guys, nandito pa din kami sa area na to. Nandito na kami sa pinakataas. And Dan wants to go to that poop cafe.
Look at the up there. You got the giraffe.
Ah,
like a
cute.
forest. Or like
Cool?
jungle.
Ano yun? Cool, guys. Cool. Do you wanna go in there?
Let's have a look.
Wala, poop talaga siya, beshi. Sinong gustong kakain dyan sa mga poop? Tingnan nyo nga yan. Ayoko, uy. Ayoko, babe. I don't want it. Tingnan mo. May tae. Tae. Ha? Na. Thank you. I don't like that. Ayoko niyan. No, babe. I don't want it. That's disgusting. Do you wanna eat? Po? Ayoko, ha? Sino gustong kakain yan? Uy, sabi ko kay Dan, maganda lang siya kung gustong itry ng tao, tapos gustong picturean. Wala sigurong talagang babalik-balik dun para kumain ng ganun. Walang tao dun. Yung kumakain dun yung staff. Break time niya ata. Pero Monday din naman kasi ngayon, so siguro baka hindi ganun ka-busy. Guys, bibili kami ng souvenir para sa bahay. 2,000 won. Meron siyang isda sa ilalim. Tingnan nyo. Ang cute. Okay, I'm gonna choose this color, babe. What color?
What about the blue one there?
You want the blue?
Well,
Oh, wait.
that's right, yeah.
Or this blue?
That one looks good, yeah.
Yeah? What else?
You choose, babe. What about this red one? What about that red one? That looks nice colour.
All three?
3 or?
3 or 2?
Nah, 3.
Okay. Meron din sila mga ganito, guys. Hindi ko alam itong mga ganito eh. Pero nakapack na sila. So, pwede ka bumili. Ganyan o seaweed. Hala, look at that, babe. Is that food? Pagkain ba yan? Loli? I think it's a loli. I can smell food. So, parang malapit na tayo sa street food. Guys, ito.
How much?
They have sausage.
2,000.
2,000? 2,001. Everything 2,000? No, okay. 3. Okay. Do you want this?
Yeah. Go on.
They have crab stick, fish cake. Maybe I'll try crab stick.
Okay.
Okay.
One of those. Please.
One. Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Sauce.
Yep.
Thank you.
Ketchup for the sausage.
Is this hot mustard or?
No, mix.
No.
Not hot?
Not spicy?
No spicy.
Oh, that looks good, babe.
So you do it.
Mine, chili.
No spicy.
Spicy?
Spicy.
Very spicy. Okay, not very spicy. I'll just do that then. I'll do the same thing as yours, my love. Oops. Yummy?
Some sausage.
I'll finish this. You eat that, my love. Guys, nandito pa din kami sa Insadong. Punta tayo dito sa Avenue of Youth. Yan. Baka may street food dito. Ooh, ang cute ng mga flowers nila dito, guys. May nakita kaming flowers dun sa Hongdae na sobrang liit, 2,000 won. Tapos totoo talaga siya, ang cute. Ito guys, ang cute, ang cute, ang cute, ang cute. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo gano'n kaliit. Dry flower siya, ang cute. Dun sa Hongdae, 2,000 won. That is so cute. Dried pala siya. That's really nice. May mga seafood dito, guys. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Parang bituka. Wormy. Tingnan nyo to. May isda.
Shrimp.
May shrimp dyan. More of these. Yung mga ganyan. Squid. Hala. Kakain kami dito, guys. There you go. Let's go. Nag-order lang kami ng pork ribs at saka beef ribs. Pork belly, beef ribs at saka rice at saka drink. Yun lang. Kasi kumain kami ng mga street food kanina. So hindi kami sobrang gutom. Hello, did you finish your street food? The hair-like looking thing?
Nah, I still got that.
You still have it?
Yeah, still got that.
Okay. Mainit, mainit, mainit. Thank you. Thank. Point, point, point.
What's that?
That's tofu.
Tofu. Okay.
Salt with sesame oil.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Okay. Ang dami nating food. Pork belly, pork belly. Yep.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay guys, tikman na natin kasi luto na yung beef. Tikman natin yung beef. Sabi ni ate, patulong kami sa kanya kasi hindi kami marunong. Ilagay ro dito. Yung oil na may sesame oil.
You put it in it?
Right, so. Guys, nasa taxi na kami. Pauwi na kami sa hotel. How was your first samgyeopsal experience?
That's good.
Good, yeah?
Yeah.
Sarap, guys.
It didn't look like a lot of food, but it was.
Yeah, akala namin konti lang kasi konti lang yung meat. Pero ang dami kasi ang dami lang mga side dish, ang daming mga paganap. So, mamamatay na yung battery ko. Buti na lang pauwi na kami kasi naiwan ko din pala yung battery ko. Yung mga extra battery ko. Guys, I had my beauty sleep. Is that right, Mala?
You look beautiful all the time.
Sobrang pagod na ako, guys. Walang tigil na lakaran araw-araw. So, pinatulog ako din kanina. And now we're out and about again. Maganda yung weather dito. Kanina medyo mainit. Sabi ni Dan, hindi ka kasi lumalabas ng bahay. So, mainitan ka lang ng konti. Parang, kinukuha yung energy mo. Hello, I hope not.
That's his spitting?
No, I can't feel it. Galing dun sa hotel namin, may pa-entrance dito sa Myeongdong area. And makikita mo agad yan si Kuya nagbebenta ng parang pancake na may egg. 2,000 won. Kumain yan si Dan kagabi eh. Insert ko yung clip, guys.
Can I grab that one there?
Thank you!
You have some go, babe?
Na.
Yeah.
Good?
It's like an egg on a cake.
That's right. Ito guys, masarap din to. Na-try ko na to once nung hindi ako nag-vlog, nung nagpunta kami dito. Roast lobster with cheese. 15,000 won. So medyo may kamahalan siya sa maliit na lobster na yan. Pero masarap siya, guys.
Yep.
Ganito siya, guys. Oh, so matatanggal na siya agad. Yan. Hindi siya mahirap kainin. Yummers. So good. Ito mura lang guys. 3,001 barbecue. Thank you.
Chicken on a stick.
Chicken.
Just a satay.
Yeah. Wait, careful babe. It's dripping.
You'd like that, please. That was a nice cook, please.
Yeah, no, that's alright. I want baboy. Baboy. Pork. I thought it was pork. Tapos dito din sa Myeongdong, merong ganito guys. Oo. Sa mga gustong ipasalubong to, matatry nyo. Sa lahat, yung pinaka gusto ko is yung wasabi. Ito, masarap to talaga. And then si Dan, yung gusto niya, ito, tiramisu. Yun yung gusto ni Dan, tiramisu. Pero yung original nito ata is yung honey butter almond. Yummers. Have you tried wasabi? Try it. No, it's not even that spicy. It's really good. Ito gusto i-try ni Dan. Mini gimbap. Dried seaweed rolls.
6 for 5,000.
Okay. Bulgogi. Yep.
Cheese.
Okay.
Sweet.
Sige. 6 for 5,001 siya guys.
Crab stick.
Fish roe. Yum?
Just rice and cheese.
Yeah. And seaweed. Gusto din bumili ni Dan ito. What is this? Dalchi?
So the strawberry and the jelly.
Ah, ayun. Strawberry na may jelly, tapos nilagay sa powder. Thank you. Shrimp King. Do you want it?
You can have it. You can, yeah,
Sige. 6,001. Just one. Thank you. Merong mga sauces guys. Ito cheese, ito tartar, ito hot sauce. And meron din seasoning. Mild at saka garlic. Let's put garlic. Mixed salt. Agoy. Cheese. Sa malap.
Over, babe.
Kapag kumakain kayo, kainin nyo na lang siya malapit sa stall para matapon nyo din doon. Kasi nga, di ba, wala masyadong basurahan. Ayaw mo namang mag-pile up ng maraming basura.
Hot?
Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Bili si Dan ng... Is it 3,000, babe?
Sausage 4,000.
Okay, sausage. Yum.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Masasaya.
Yum?
Strawberry, jelly, and maybe the bean.
Bean? Red bean, yeah. Or black bean, yeah. Is it good? Wow. May papikit ka pa.
Very small strawberry though.
Is it? Yeah. Depende sa feel namin mamaya. Ano na to? Ito na yung dinner namin. Masarap para sa akin yung mga seafood. Hala, fried banana. Do you wanna try fried banana?
Nah.
May size siya guys. So yung malaki 4,000, yung maliit 3,000. Baked banana ang pinili ni Danny Boy. Wow, big banana. Good? Sweet? Gusto yan i-try ni Dan. Honey ice cream bread.
How much are they?
5,001. Ooh. Different, babe. Hindi pa ako nakatry ng honeycomb. You're supposed to eat the whole thing?
Sorry?
You eat this? Even the...
All of it.
You sure?
Yeah.
Nakakain ba to? Yan?
That's hot. I'll give you some of the ice cream in it.
Guys, hindi ko na video lahat, pero sobrang daming street food dito. As in, from snack, from meals, drinks. Are you full, babe?
I'm good.
Yeah? Which one's your favorite street food?
You know, lobster's good. African lobster's probably the best.
Yeah, lobster's really good. Well, aside from that.
I don't know.
Yung gusto ko,
Looks like a mango there, but I don't want a
lobster
mango.
at saka prawns.
Mango ice cream they got there.
No, I don't want ice cream. I want... Sorry, I just want a drink. Guys, punta kami sa Daiso. Sobrang haba nitong Daiso na to. Yan. Yung building na yan, Daiso. Oh. I'm not sure if... Yeah, feeling ko buong building Daiso. Is the whole building Daiso? Kasi meron siya sa
I don't
baba
think it's 11 stories. I think it all is.
Yeah. Sobrang laki ng Daiso dito ha. Grabe. Okay. Get lost, babe. Kung gusto niyo mas makamura pa sa Saks, may mas mura pa dito sa Daiso compared sa dun sa labas. Like ito. 3,000 won, 4 pairs na. Okay naman yung quality. Medyo manipis siya pero hindi like sobrang nipis naman. So okay lang. OR. Tapos yung mga tag-iisang pair nila, 1,000 lang din naman. So, same lang. May nakapack sila. Ito. Pack of 7. 5,000 won. Hindi ko na alam kung anong floor ako, guys. Wala din sila. Naghiwalay kami. Ang cute ng mga dekorasyon nila sa bahay. Tapos ang mura. Ito, 1,000 won lang. Ang cute ng cactus. More street food around here. We're still in Myeongdong, people. I'm looking for the pork barbecue. Kasi... gutom pa ako. Meron din silang kamote kung gusto yung kamote. Oh, si Kuya kamote. Meron ding Oreo, churros. Honey of glutinous rice pancake. Glutinous rice and vegetable? Do you want the vegetable or do you want the honey?
I want the vegetable one.
Okay, vegetable. Ooh, puno ng oil. Thank you very much. 2,000 won that one. Good?
It's alright.
Yeah? I don't think I like it. Yeah. Yung nakain ko pa lang is yung lobster kanina. Alam nyo ba kanina pa yun kasi nagpunta pa kami ng underground shopping ng very very light. Pero hindi kami nag-shopping. Tinignan lang namin siya kasi bukas pupunta kami sa underground talaga. Para lang alam namin kung ano yung sasabakin namin bukas ba. Pero yun pa lang yung kinain ko. Tapos yung I wanna try the crab but it's alright. Shrimp. Hinahanap ko ito, babe. Tara, babe. Pork. Ay, octopus. Hindi yan yun. Yan, guys. Bili tayo pork barbecue. Pork barbecue. Pork barbecue. Yeah, this one.
It's okay.
Okay.
You want to cook it more?
Thank you. No, that's alright. Guys, 6,000 won. Yung una nabili namin ito, 3,000. Pero kasi ang laki niya. So, 6,000.
Good.
Try some.
Nah, I'm full.
Guys, late na. So, I think tapos na kami dito. We will just get mango juice from ate. Nakabili na kami dito sa kanya noon. Si ate. Yan. Mango juice, I think it's 5,000. Yung pwesto ni ate dito sa harap lang ng Worry Bank. Kasi medyo mahirap maghanap ng merong mango juice. So, ito. Parang siya lang ate yung nakita namin na may mango juice. Guys, we're back at the hotel early tonight. Maliligo lang si Dan, tapos ako magpapunk. Oy, before you go to the shower, can you please weigh this one? Kasi ito parang napakuno to kanina. Kailangan kasi namin i-separate yung mga nuts kasi i-declare namin yung nuts kapag dating na namin sa Australia. Kasi very strict to dun. So, i-declare namin yung nuts. Tsaka yung mga duty-free din na i-claim namin yung tax refund. Kasi sa airport namin i-claim yung tax refund ng most of the stuff that we got, guys. So, just in case hanapin nila o nasan ito. So, at least isang luggage lang. So, alam mo yun, mga technique na, mga packing technique.
23.
Perfect.
Do you want it back on the bed?
No, I want your luggage on the bed, please. Mister, thank you very much. We didn't really get any tax refund stuff today, did we? I mean, we didn't really get anything today. We just ate.
Tonight, you mean?
Oh, tonight we did. We went to Daiso, but that's not tax-free. Guys, magpapack lang ako, guys. And kapag may time pa ako at saka kapag may energy pa ako, mag-edit ako ng vlog. So, yun na yung vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys!
Okay.
Bye, guys. Good night. Mwah. Bye. Be good.